How to get notes in Messenger. So if you want to get notes in Messenger, like if you open up your Messenger application, here on the upper side you will have your note option, or you will have the other notes that other person have shared. But if you don't have that notes option, and if you want to get that notes, then what you can do is, first you need to check your internet connection and then go for your Play Store or your App Store, because the notes is the new update on Messenger. So you might have an update on Messenger, and if you have not updated your Messenger, then you might find that kind of problem. So here Messenger updates the application once or twice in a month. Then you need to simply tap on update and update your Messenger application to have all of the features or all of the options available. So update your application, and once you've updated, now your problem will be fixed. And after updating, you can open up your settings. Just scroll down and go for apps, and under your apps you can go for Messenger and open up your Messenger on your apps, on your settings, and then go for storage and cache. And under storage and cache, go for clear cache and clear all of the cache. And once you clear, now your problem might be fixed, and then you can restart your device. And once you restart your device, now your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can get notes in Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.